Hey everyone, as the weather is getting warmer, it's time to change the snow tires back to the all-season tires. So these all-season tires that came with this vehicle, the Model 3 is the Micheline Primacy MXM4. It's made in the USA. And the tire size is 235, 45, R18, and the tread wear is 500, traction is A, temperature is A. So in case you're interested to know what's the standard tires that came with the car, that's what they are, Michelin tires. So I purchased rims for those installations. I have arranged an interview with the owner of a Mississauga tire shop. So stay tuned for that. Talk to you soon.